Hold up, I'm moving too fast. How did I get so attached? I'm trying to see where you at, and you wanna mess. Cause I'm feeling you, and I'm trying to know the truth. Is it you, the one I'm trying to hold on to? Open your eyes this time. The light is in your eyes this time. So I finished what you started. I placed me where your heart is. What is this feeling? Almost like I'm dreaming. Keep you in my pocket, on your chest just like a locket. What you have, I think I need that. Let you take control. Show me how it goes. Keep letting you know till we both grow old. You got me on my knees, begging you please. I'm not trying to make a scene, just want you and me. You belong with me. Open your eyes. The light is shining. Don't close your eyes.
Trying to find the reasons you won't find her pretty. Cause I am insecure. My looks been needing more. And I try to find the reasons that you would stay with me. Cause I am insecure. I'm not an intellectual. Are you just with me? Cause you need a body. Am I somebody to you? Can I be somebody you want to? Are you just with me? Cause you need a body. Am I somebody to you? Can I be somebody you want to? Be the one you wanted more. Wanna be the one that you adore. Do you see a long road with me? Do you only see me as a body? Trying to make you close the door. Give me everything I'm waiting for. Let me know the things you love about me. Love me like I'm more than just a body. Are you just with me? Cause you need a body. Am I somebody to you? Can I be somebody you want to? Are you just with me? Cause you need a body. Am I somebody to you? Can I be somebody you want to? Ooh.
these things that I know.